Cash App has revolutionized digital payments by offering multiple ways to pay without needing a physical card. As we enter 2025, these cardless payment solutions have become essential tools for modern financial transactions. Cash App offers three primary cardless payment methods that provide convenient and secure transaction options. These include QR codes for merchant payments, dollar cash tags for person-to-person transfers, and NFC technology for tap-to-pay functionality. QR code payments allow you to make purchases at participating merchants by simply scanning a code. You can either scan the merchant's QR code or generate your own for them to scan. Payments process instantly from your Cash App balance or linked bank account. Dollar cash tags are unique identifiers that make person-to-person transfers incredibly simple. Each user gets a custom cash tag like $John Doe 123, which can be shared easily for receiving payments. This method is ideal for splitting restaurant bills, paying friends back, or sending money to family members. NFC technology enables Cash App integration with mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. This allows you to use your Cash App balance for tap-to-pay transactions at any contactless payment terminal, utilizing your device's built-in security features like Face ID or fingerprint authentication. Cardless payments offer significant advantages over traditional card transactions. They provide enhanced security by eliminating card skimming risks, ultimate convenience since your phone is all you need, and faster transaction times averaging just 8 seconds compared to 15 seconds for card payments. These cardless payment methods represent the future of digital transactions, making Cash App a comprehensive solution for all your payment needs without ever needing to carry a physical card. Cash App offers three main cardless payment methods. First, explore QR code payments, which provide a quick and secure way to pay without your physical card. To use QR codes, you have two options. You can generate your own unique QR code within the Cash App for merchants to scan, or you can scan the merchant's QR code displayed at their location. The transaction processes instantly from your Cash App balance or linked bank account, with immediate confirmation and receipt generation. The second method uses your unique dollar cash tag identifier. Every Cash App user has a personalized cash tag that starts with a $sign, making it easy for others to send you money. Your cash tag can be shared via text message, email, or social media. Recipients simply enter your cash tag to send money directly to your account. This makes splitting bills, paying for services, or sending money to family incredibly simple and convenient. The third method uses near-field communication, or NFC technology. You can link your Cash App to mobile wallet services like Apple Pay or Google Pay for tap-to-pay functionality. For iPhone users, Cash App integrates seamlessly with Apple Pay, allowing you to use Face ID or Touch ID for secure authentication at contactless payment terminals. Android users can similarly integrate with Google Pay, enabling the same tap-to-pay convenience with fingerprint or PIN authentication. All these cardless payment methods offer enhanced security through advanced tokenization and biometric authentication, making them actually safer than traditional card payments. However, there are some important limitations to keep in mind. Transaction limits apply based on your account verification level, and a stable internet connection is required for all these methods to work properly.